Hi everyone. So you've seen me cut my strips for my jelly roll rug. Now you're going to see me put together my strips for my jelly roll rug. So here I have my strips. Now one would do a continuous, so this is a 1/4 inch, a continuous set of these strips, right? We're going to do that. But what I'm doing is I'm kind of organizing my strips by color. So right now what you're seeing me do is put my colors in sets. So I'm doing a purplish set and a pink set or coral set. And I'm putting them together just using a 1/4 inch. Some people like to do this where they have like a bias seam. I'm just doing a straight seam. You do what you prefer in your jelly roll rug. I always want to say quilt, and I know in some of my videos I have said quilt. And as you can see, I'm just grabbing them. So whether you're using a jelly roll or you're using strips you made out of your scraps, it's the same technique. You open them up. Of course, I'm going to have more seams because I'm using my scraps. So that takes care of my purple. Now that's done. Now I'm going to go and start working on my corals or pinks. Same method we are doing. And we're just going to run these through. And if you notice, what I do is I take the tail of this, bring it forward, grab a new piece, in case if I didn't say that before, layer another one on top. So now you are just watching me sew at this point. And I am not going to bore you with having to do all of these. I have a stack more of this pink. But what I am going to do is I am going to show you how we press them to get them ready. So I come in here and everywhere I have thread that joins them, right? Because we just chain sewed these. Pull those apart. And then, oh, those can stay in there. We'll take our board. And all we do is we come in, we open our seam, and we press. This is a good time, since you're here, to press out any kind of other creases that are in our roll. And when I say by roll, I mean our jelly roll or your fabric scraps. Let's see, I have one there. So all I'm doing is opening up all our seams. If you press them to the side, what happens is it doesn't go through the, I use a clover jelly roll rug maker kind of thing. And then this doesn't go through. So you really have to press this open. Plus, it's too much bulk in your machine if you don't have it pressed open. Some people like to do the diagonal seams, which is totally fine. This is preference. But again, if you do that diagonal seam, I would recommend opening it up as well. And we have a couple more. We have one more because the rest, these were my scraps. And this was my scraps too, but this I had actual width of fabric all the way on this. And I just come in and give it a press. And here we are, another one of these. And we can press this all the way through. And now we have our fabric all prepped for the next couple of steps. Now, I noticed something when I ironed or pressed this. Right here is where I started sewing. I want to definitely take off those threads. And now we have our very long strip ready to be sewn with our jelly roll rug maker. So everyone have a wonderful day. Please stay tuned for more instructions on how to make my jelly roll rug. Again, I almost said quilt, but rug, my jelly roll rug. Anyway, everyone have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, pass it forward, and if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Take care.